Okay, dimensional analysis. You can solve almost any problem in chemistry if you can do dimensional analysis correctly. So if you can cancel your units, you should be good. Now this semester, we're also going to do a heck of a lot of what are called ICE tables. If you can do ICE tables and dimensional analysis, that's probably like 90% of what you're going to do in chemistry, mathematically anyway. Okay, so dimensional analysis is essentially writing equalities as conversion factors. So example being 1 inch is 2.54 centimeters. That's the equality. You can write it as either 1 inch over 2.54 centimeters or 2.54 centimeters over 1 inch, whichever way gets your units to work out. You need all of your units to cancel out and end up in the correct unit. Okay, so we're gonna have some example problems in here. What I highly recommend doing is pausing the video, trying the example yourself, and then checking your answer. Okay, and I will walk through how I did these. So example number 1, convert 2.5 pints into liters. So always start with the number in the problem, just 2.5 pints over and understood 1. The only time you would ever have something on the bottom if you are doing a conversion is if it's like grams per cubic centimeter, then you would put your grams unit on top and then 1 cubic centimeter on the bottom. Otherwise, it's just a 1 on the bottom. Okay, so I know off the top of my head that there are a certain number of pints in a gallon, 4 pints, right? Pints in 1 gallon. Okay, and then I also know off the top of my head that 1 gallon is 3.785 liters. Now, no, you do not have to have those numbers memorized. I would give you the conversions if you need them. But I know these. Notice my units are going to cancel out. I have pints, gallons, and I'm left with liters, which is what the question is asking. All right, so you multiply all your numbers on the top, divide by numbers on the bottom, so divide by 4, and I should get 2.4 liters as my answer. Okay, notice I rounded to 2 sig figs because I had 2 in my problem here. Okay, all right.